Okay. Look at Allie wearing her hat. Let me show the top of your hat. It says, Mother Nature is my homegirl. Look. Wait. Pretty picture of Mother Nature. I love it. You look so cool to be going. Where are y'all going to go do? Oh, and she's wearing her Fiji shirt that Mimi got her.
And we're going to go for a four-wheel ride.
We're going for a four-wheeler ride. Where are you going?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I can't tell you.
You can't tell me. Why not?
Because it's a secret.
It's a secret? Well, is it going to be a magical, wonderful place?
Yes.
What are you going to see?
Well, birds and trees. All kind of stuff.
Like what?
Like,
Fairies? And what else?
elephants.
Elephants. And what else?
Giraffes.
Giraffes?
And hippos.
And hippos?
Uh-huh.
Whoa! What an amazing four-wheeler adventure you're going to have. Tell me what else you might see.
I just want to say let's be bye.
You just want to say what?
Blessed be bye.
You just want to say blessed be and bye? Okay, well say it.
Blessed be bye.
Somebody's watched Mommy record a lot of videos. I love you.